As autumn approaches, we have a month of 5 Fridays in which to inspire you. Our product of the month for October is this brilliant butterfly cushion kit, introduced to us by Valerie Nesbitt, who gives some alternative embellishment and quilting ideas, and who also brings us this Christmas table runner, which uses pre-printed panels together with simple half-square triangles. We have a new embroidery tutor, Kate Barlow, talking to Valerie about her techniques and inspirations, and then, later in the month, bringing us this lovely rainbow counted stitches workshop. Kathleen Laurel Sage returns with a very comprehensive introduction to Goldwork, whilst Mary Gamester shows us how to create these lovely fabrics using lace and transfer paints. Jennie Rayment is back in the studio with a very useful Sling Bag project, which can be made using the overlocker. And Carolyn Forster shows us just how versatile hexagon English paper piecing can be. Sallieanne Harrison is here to show us a double patchwork binding technique, and Mandy Shaw brings us her embroidery workshop on how to transfer your Redwork design. Finally, our Technique Thursday video for October is a monoprinting lesson from the talented Clare. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.